Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
Without money, I was rich already. 5,000 hours in, and they switch already with no direction. Hit the exit, man. Success is so infectious. It's glowing my complexion. You can't get in this section. It's no guest list. You gotta start first. There's no way around hard work. Just borrowed work came from living. Cigars filled with lemon haze. I seen better days. Never downplay a win. Whether it's me or my kin, we celebrate. The goal is to elevate men from boys. Boss up so you ain't gotta be employed. Learn to love the noise. Make sense of it and fuck censorship. Get offended, bitch. Y'all just lazy. Call every creative crazy till he make it, then they amazing.
Wish I could tell you.
Okay.
How all my dreams depend on you.
Yeah. Make my dreams reality. Y'all so full of fallacies, it could fill a galaxy. Diners a reminder, gotta balance me. Talent takes you so far, gotta go hard. I've been cool, but bare arms like polar. So far, so good. Roll through my old hood, it's all love. My haters do the most. How you hate growth, coast to coast, man. I'm just trying to smoke, need like locals. Can I live? You supposed to. All these kids I spoke to, hope I got through. I know I'm not you, I just want the best. Heart too big for my chest, I digress.
I wish I could tell you how all my dreams depend on you. I wish I could tell you how all my dreams depend on you.